Okay, so let's talk about the iPad, and the question for it today is, can I use FaceTime on the iPad but without the iPhone, right? So there are some things you should know. Using FaceTime is possible by signing into your Apple ID using the email instead of the phone number, right? So this lets you make and receive FaceTime calls even if you don't have an iPhone, right? So the point is, as I say, you're not going to log into FaceTime with a phone number, but with your Apple ID email. And you can technically set it up that way and still make phone calls with like other Apple devices or other FaceTime users. So the answer, of course, is yes, you can do this, but you're not going to be contacting the people with the phone number, but with your like email, right? So if the other person doesn't have you saved in their contacts, they're not going to see like a phone number ringing them, but it's just going to be like that email address calling them through FaceTime, if that makes sense, right? So you can set it up, right? Obviously, for that, you need to make sure that you have the like Apple account and all of that stuff ready. So yeah, I assume that you do since you are like using the iPad, right? Outside of that, of course, there is the phone app inside of the iPad running iPad OS 26. But well, in our case, we're not really gonna use it that much. I mean, you can still see the FaceTime calls and everything in here. So I guess you could call from there, but we can still use the dedicated FaceTime application as usual in the older versions of the iPad OS. So yeah, I hope that I could answer your question. Let me know below in the comments if you have some additional ones that you want to share or ask. Most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later in those videos.